Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. You are in for a weekend.
Ifilole, a weekend to forget. Òun ni ó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ní the good beach Bẹẹni Island. Òun náà la wà. A weekend to forget, directed by Ademola Adedamola. Tí gbogbo àwọn òṣèré jankan-jankan tí wọ́n dẹ̀ kùnrin àwọn òṣèré bíi Erica, bíi Elozonam, bíi Stan àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Àyíkájà ọkùnrin lórúkọ tèmi lórí amóhùnmáwòrán Orisun náà ni ẹ má yí kúrò ń bẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká rìn ká tọ̀ ká wo bí Ifilole, a weekend to forget bó ṣe lọ ẹ má bá mi ká lọ.
Hi guys. So I'm in this country house with like the weirdest kind of people, but I don't want to talk about them. I want to show you how cool the place is because it's pretty cool, you know, but the people, very weird. Shh, don't say I said anything.
That your face with this.
Nollywood's finest.
Hi.
I'm in the building. My brother.
Our film. Film wo lẹ wá wò. A weekend to forget. A weekend to forget. Now, a mọ̀ wípé oríṣiríṣi àwọn òṣèré lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ actors lọ́pọ̀ ń bẹ̀. Ta ni favourite actor yín nínú ẹ̀ tó wù yín tẹ́ fẹ́ rí ní èní nínú eré yẹn?
Favourite actor mi ni Elozonam, yeah.
Ẹ like ọkùnrin àbí?
Tí n bá like ọkùnrin ta ni ma like, if I don't like my whole life.
You invited them?
Why not?
What do you mean, why not?
It's been 10 years. Come on. Hi, my bro. Don't you?
Not your bro.
What you're looking at is going to be a first-class billionaires club. And I want us to create that experience together.
42 signing contracts. I have some questions for you.
If Bem is part of this thing about.
These people clearly don't even like you. I came on a weekend getaway with my boyfriend, and then I met my ex.
Ṣe tẹ̀síwájú mọ́ wa pẹ̀lú director Ademola Adedamola. Damola Ademola ṣàlàfíà làbáyín.
Àlàáfíà ni mo wà o.
Ẹ kú oríire ni. Àtòrí ni gbogbo èèyàn ṣe wá balẹ̀ ni. Àkọ́kọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ àkọlé yìí tẹ́ mú yẹn. Kí ló bí àkọlé yẹn? Àkọlé rẹ̀.
This story has been coming for it's been a long time coming. So, I think ro tipẹ́tipẹ́. And it took me a while to convince my colleagues to finally make it because we were not sure. But we sat down with my writer Joy.
Okay.
We
Yoruba language.
Mo jókòó pẹ̀lú writer mi Joy Biwaji Adepo kini epo. Ngba tá gbé síwájú wọn. Wọ́n sọ pé aláti ṣe movie. Then àwa ń wò pé okay ta la máa fi sínú ẹ̀. Elozonam, Erica, Neo, Stan, Daniel. Ngba gbogbo wọn wá together. Ngba tá wá ti set.
Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ náà gbogbo wọn náà ni wọ́n ṣe dáadáa nínú eré náà àti pé gbogbo wọn náà ni wọ́n kópa takuntakun nínú eré tá à ń sọ yìí yẹn a weekend to forget.
You knew I was married.
How the hell would I have known you were married? I was going to show you this. Delete the video or what? It's illegal.
You can't. For you. For Naija.
Only God knows what he's capable of.
You're bad news, bro. You are bad news.
Una don't forget who I be. Una don't forget who I be.
A weekend to forget bó ṣe lọ a weekend to forget directed by Demola Ademola ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn sọ nípa ẹ̀ ó máa wà ní sinimá láti on the 22nd of September so kẹtúyáyá kẹ́yìn náà lọ wò ẹ má lọ miss out ẹ sọ fẹ́yàn kan kẹ́tù sọ fẹ́yàn kan kẹ́sọ fáwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yín kẹ́sọ gbogbo ẹbí ẹ kó wọn lọ sinimá you know gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́lẹ́ máa ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ tẹ̀ jáde ẹ lọ have fun ẹ lọ wo a weekend to forget gbogbo olólùfẹ́ mi lè mọ aṣọ yín pé eré tẹ́ ẹ máa gbádùn gidigidi mo dẹ̀ sọ fún yín pé good beach ibẹ̀ láti wá ṣe léni ẹ ti rí outfit beach ẹ ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ bó ṣe wà colourful lọ́lọ́kọ̀ òjọ̀kan Àyìnkẹ́ Kújọrẹ̀ lórúkọ tèmi ọmọ bíbí ni wonderful Dayọ̀ Kújọrẹ̀ ẹ má gbàgbé láti tẹ̀lé mi lórí gbogbo social media platform pátápátá lórí Twitter @Tosin Kújọrẹ̀ lórí IG @Àyìnkẹ́ Dayọ̀ Kújọrẹ̀ lórí Facebook ẹ like page mi Àyìnkẹ́ Dayọ̀ Kújọrẹ̀ mo wà lórí TikTok @Àyìnkẹ́ Dayọ̀ Kújọrẹ̀ tí ń bá gbọ́ pé gbé kúrò lórísun tí ń bá lọ gbọ́ wípé gbé kúrò lórísun máa bá yín jà ẹ má jẹ́ ká jà ọ́ ẹ má yí kúrò lórísun ó tún dọjọ́ mi ọjọ́ rẹ̀ ó dàbọ̀.